Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we are going to learn GK and our topic is languages and states. So now we are going to learn in detail that did you know that there are between 6,000 and 7,000 languages in the world, spoken by 6 billion people, divided into 189 independent states. So, there are about 225 native languages in Europe, about 3% of the world's total, and most of the world's languages are spoken in Asia and Africa. So here we can see Asia and Africa in most words, most language spoken. At the last half of the world's populations are bilingual or prelingual, and they speak two or more languages. And number 5, many languages have 50,000 words or more, but individual speaker normally know and use only a part of the total vocabulary in everyday conversation. People use the same few hundred words. So languages are constantly incorrect with each other and affect each other in many ways. So, most European languages belong to three bond groups: Germanic, Romance, and Slavic. The most European languages use the Latin alphabet. Some of Slavic languages use in Cyrillic alphabet. Greek, Armenian, Georgian, and Yiddish have their own alphabet. So, non-European language most widely used European territory are Arabic, Chinese, and Hindi, each with its own writing system. So, due to the influx of the migrants and the refugees, Europe has become a largely multilingual. In London alone, some 300 languages are spoken. So, here in India, languages of India. So, according to ethnology, India is the considered to be the home to 398 languages, out of which 11 have been reported exist. So in India, some 1652 dialects were recorded in Census made in 1961. Another census was in individual way back 2001 and showed that for more than half a million inhabitants, there are 29 languages being spoken. This is where Indian language tradition is a tough one. Dialects in India vary depending on demographic location, although the Constitution of India stipulates that the main language of the country is Hindi in Devanagari script. Languages of native tongue are still very much alive. So, our country language is Hindi in Devanagari. So, now we are going to learn languages and state. So, in India, we can see in India so many states, and the state-wise different languages. Jammu and Kashmir, Kashmiri language, and Punjab in Punjabi language, and then Rajasthan in Rajasthani, Uttar Pradesh in Hindi, Bihar in Bihari, Maharashtra in Marathi, Gujarat in Gujarati, Goa in Konkani, Karnataka in Kannada, Kerala in Malayalam, Tamil Nadu in Tamil, Andhra Pradesh in Telugu, and Mizoram in Mizo, Manipur in Manipuri, and Arunachal Pradesh in Tani, and so many languages speak in India and Indian state. So now we are going to learn detail that which types of languages speak in Indian states. So first Kerala in Malayalam. So here we can see a photograph of Malayalam language alphabet. So Malayalam language is the most people that speak Malayalam live in Kerala. So Kerala people speak a Malayalam language. In India, a speaker of Malayalam is called a Malayali, and sometimes the language and speaker are called a Malabarai. So Malayalam is the main language of the South Indian state of Kerala, and also the Lakshadweep island of the west coast of India. So Malayalam, males and females alike are almost totally literate and constitute 4% of the population of India and 96% of the population of Kerala. So, in terms of the number speakers, Malayalam ranks 18th among the 18 major languages of India. So, Malayalam language has 52 phonemes, and a few phonemes are unique for Malayalam. So, Malayalam language is speak by Kerala people. Okay, children, now we are going to learn a next slide or next language which is spoken in different state. It is a Gujarati. So Gujarat in Gujarati. So here we can see a alphabet of Gujarati language, and Gujarati is the language. It is spoken in Gujarat. So in our country we speak Gujarati language, and India and also in a neighboring Pakistan it was the mother tongue of Gandhi and Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Gandhi and Muhammad Ali Jinnah. There are millions of Gujaratis who speak it as their first language, and Gujarati is the 20th most common language in the United States of America. So, Mahatma Gandhi, India's leader, once said about the Gujarati language, uh, bad handwriting is a sign of the incomplete education. So Mahatma Gandhi say in Gujarati language that bad handwriting is the sign of the incomplete education. So Gujarati is mostly speak in Gujarat. Okay, now next Mizoram in Mizo. So in a state of Mizoram, speak a Mizo language. So here we can see a photograph of Mizo language, and the Mizo language or Mizo is a Cochin. Mizo language belong to the Tibeto Bruming family of language spoken natively by a Mizo people in Mizoram state of India in chain state of Burma. So the language is also known as a Dohlin, colonial team as the Dolin people were the first among the Mizos to be unconnected by the British in the course of their colonial expansion, and the Mizo language is mainly based on Lucy dialects, but it has also divided many words from its surrounding Mizo sub tribes and sub clans. So, in a state of Mizoram, in a state of Mizoram, Mizo language is a most influent. So, children, you all learn about Mizo language. So now we are going to learn a Telugu. So in Andhra Pradesh, Telugu language is speak. So here we can see a alphabet of Telugu language, and Telugu is an Indian language spoken in southern part of India, and it is the official language of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So it is one of the 22 schedules language of the Republic of India. Telugu is the second most spoken language in India and the 15th largest spoken language in the world. And as it is one of the oldest language in the world, and government of India gave it the state of classical language. So Andhra Pradesh classical language is a Telugu, and Telugu language is a spoken in southern part of India. So in the southern part of India, mostly people speak Telugu language. Okay, children, now we are going to learn a next language, and it is a Tamil. So in a Tamil Nadu, state of Tamil Nadu, Tamil language is spoken. So here we can see a photograph of alphabet of Tamil language, and Tamil is Dravidian language, and it is spoken in Tamil Nadu state of India, and in the some parts of Sri Lanka and Singapore and Malaysia, and it is in the southern branch of the Dravidian language family, and it is a classical language, and it is one of the world oldest literary language, and it has existed for at last 2000 years. The oldest text found in the Tamil is talk. Tamil is one of the oldest living language in the world, and it has spoken by almost 65 million. So in a Tamil Nadu, a state of Tamil Nadu mostly speak a Tamil language, and it is also some parts of India like Sri Lanka and Malaysia in mostly speak a Tamil language. Okay, children, you all are understand about the Tamil language. Now we are going to learn a Hindi language. So we all familiar with Hindi language in Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh, Hindi language is speak by Uttar Pradesh state. So here we can see a photograph of Hindi language. So Hindi is the most commonly spoken language in India. Hindi is also our language, and also Hindi is mostly spoken language in India, and it is a fifth most spoken language in the world, and with about 182 billion native speaker in 1998. The script used in writing Hindi is Devanagari, and Hindi is widely written, spoken, and understood in the North India and most other places in India. In 1997, a survey found that 66% of Indians can speak Hindi, and the most common form, The form of Hindi is known as Hindustani. So, 66% people speak Hindi, and most common from the Hindi is known as Hindi speak people is known as a Hindustani. So, children, you all are understand about Hindi language and state of Uttar Pradesh. So, now we are going to learn a next slide, and next language it is a Haryana in Haryanvi. So here we can see a photograph of Haryanvi language, alphabet of Haryanvi language. So Haryanvi is a central Indo-Aryan language or dialect spoken in Haryana. India, Haryanvi is considered to be a Western Hindi dialect like a Khari Boli and Baraj, and it is written in Devanagari script. So Haryanvi language is also considered to be a Western Hindi dialect. So in Haryana, state of Haryana, Haryanvi language is spoken by the people. Okay, now next Maharashtra in Marathi. So here we can see a photograph of Marathi language. So in a state of Maharashtra, mostly people speak a Marathi language, and Marathi is a language spoken in Maharashtra in India. It is also Maharashtra official language. So Marathi is Maharashtra official language, and it is at last 1000 years old, and is based on Sanskrit and written script in Devanagari, the same as one used to write Hindi. And Maharashtra is the state in India where the majority of Marathi speakers live. So, people living in Maharashtra and part of the neighboring state of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Karnataka, Chandigarh, Andhra Pradesh, territories, and Daman, Diu, and uh, Dagra, Nagar, Haveli, so speak Marathi. So, in a Maharashtra state, Marathi language spoken by the Maratha people. So, children, you all are understand about Marathi language and state of Maharashtra. So now we are going to learn next slide and next language, and it is Assami. So Assam, in Assam, state of Assam, Assami language speak. So here we can see a photograph of Assami language. So in Assam, the state in a northeastern region of India, it has an area of 78.438 km. It is bigger than Panama but smaller than Trist Republic. There is one major river, Brahmaputra, that flow through the land of the state. The state lies on the foothills and of the Himalayas, and there are two international borders touched by Assam, Bhutan, and Bangladesh in traditional Indian geography, and falls under the Northeast Indian zone. So, in a state of Assam, Assami language speak by the state of Assam. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it is a Karnataka in Canada. So Karnataka in Kannada language. Here we can see a photograph of Kannada language. So Kannada alphabet of Kannada language. So Kannada language speak by the people of Karnataka. So Karnataka is the language. Kannada is the language, and it is a script used for writing the language. Most people in the southern Indian state of Karnataka speak Kannada, and there are a speaker in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Kerala, and Goa. So there are some differences in the way Kannada is spoken in these places. All told, there are about 44 million people who speak the language. So 44 million people speak a Kannada language, and mostly in a speaker we can find in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Kerala, and Goa. Okay, so children, Karnataka in Kannada language speak in a Karnataka. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it is a West Bengal in Bengali language. So here we can see a photograph of Bengali language. So in a West Bengal, Bengali language is most influenced. So Bengali is the most Eastern Indo-Indian language from the South Asia, and it is developed from the language called Pali. So Bengali is spoken in Bangladesh and in the Indian state of West Bengal and Tripura. So there are about 220 million native speaker and about 250 million total speaker of Bengali. It is one of the most widely spoken language in the world, ranking 7th. So, in a West Bengal, Bengali language is most influenced. So now next, Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh in Chhattisgarhi. So here we can see some words of Chhattisgarhi language, and Chhattisgarhi or in a Indo-Aryan language spoken by 18 million people in the Indian state. So Chhattisgarh is closely related to Awadhi, Baghali, Odia, and the Chhattisgarhi has been known by the name Khalti to surrounding hill peoples and by the name Loria to speakers in neighboring region of Odisha and Chhattisgarh. So in a Chhattisgarh, a state of Chhattisgarh, Chhattisgarhi language, in a state of Chhattisgarh, Chhattisgarhi language is very spoken. Now next, Goa, in a Goa, Konkani. So here we can see some words, alphabet of Konkani language. So in a Goa, we can see that Konkani language is from the India, and Konkani belongs to Indo-Aryan family of languages, and it is the official language of Goa. So, a state in India, some peoples from the part of India known as Konkani speak Konkani language. Konkan is the west coast of India. The name of Konkani means from the Konkan. The words Konkan means the corner, Kona, and the piece or part of earth, Kana. So the name of the language comes from the place where it is spoken. So in a Goa, Konkani language is spoken. So children, you all are understand about Konkani language. So in state of Goa, mostly people speak a Konkani language. Okay, now next, Odisha. So here we can see a photograph of Odisha language alphabet. Some of the alphabet of Odisha language. So Odisha in Odisha, Odia language is spoken. Odia or an Indian Dravid language mainly spoken in the Indian state of Odisha. So some parts of Odisha, mainly the Ganjam and Ganjapati district speak the Telugu language. The language is also a official language of India. There are about 31 million people who speak Odia or Odia. So, Odia language is mostly speak Odissi people or Odisha people. So, children, you all are understand about this language and state. So, we can see in a firstly that which state in which language speak. So, in a first we can see here in a Kerala, so in a state of Kerala, language spoken by Malayalam, and then next in a Gujarat, so in a Gujarat, Gujarati language spoken, and then Mizoram in Mizo language spoken, and also state of Mizoram speak a Mizo language, and then Andhra Pradesh in Telugu language spoken, and then next Tamil Nadu in Tamil language spoken, and then Uttar Pradesh, so in Uttar Pradesh Hindi language spoken, and then next Haryana, so in Haryana Haryani language spoken. Haryana people spoke a Haryani language, and then Maharashtra in Marathi language spoken, and then Assam, so in Assam Assami language spoken, and then Karnataka, so Kannada language speak in Karnataka, and then next West Bengal in Bengali language spoken, in a state of West Bengal Bengali language spoken, and Chhattisgarh in Chhattisgarhi language spoken, in the state of Chhattisgarh spoken a Chhattisgarhi language, and then Goa, so in a Goa Konkani language spoken, and then Odisha, so in Odisha Odia or Odia language spoken. So children, you all understand about language and state. So now you all are enjoying very good. So hope you all are learn and enjoy this lecture. So students, I will see you next time, and also students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home and stay safe. Okay, thank you students.